My exhaust doesn't really fit right, and I just need a temporary solution. So I'm gonna do a little something crazy. I'm gonna install a flexible exhaust, but I need to cut off part of my current exhaust first. So yeah, I'm gonna get to that. Alrighty, so that's what we've got. It's jank as fuck, but it'll work. That's on there. I mean, it's just hanging low, but look at all this oil. Ugh, so much oil. It's not coming from the sandwich adapter, it's coming from this leaky ass oil pan, I think. Gonna get a new one. So anyway, I'm gonna put another clamp on right here, and then I'm gonna start it up. Yeah. If it fits the chips, let's do it. Alright. Hopefully it's a little bit more quiet. I mean, it's ridiculous with the open downpipe. It's got some leaks the way it's patched up now, but it should be better. That's all I'm looking for is better. Oh, absolutely. Wow. Look at that. Oh, that's night and day. So the flexible exhaust, it works. It's not the best, but it does work. You know, there's some leaks, but this will at least keep the fumes from just creeping right up underneath me. And that's all I really want until I can get to the exhaust shop to have something more permanent made. Just a temporary thing. So thank you for coming along with me while I fix my exhaust today. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one, guys. Peace out.